So in this video, I will show you how to make an AI SMS chatbot for barbers with the help of Go High Level. So you have a link down below. You can sign up to Go High Level. Once you sign up to Go High Level, what you want to do is you want to go and create a sub account, okay? A sub account will represent your business, so your barbershop business. So just go here, create a sub account, and you want to go here and you want to find if there is a snapshot called barber. So as you can see, you have beauty and fashion. This is usually the snapshot that you want. You select and continue, and you want to find your barbershop. So for example, here, I can just click barbershop. So let's say, this is my business. It's called barbershop. I go here and I click on my business, and I want to fill this in, and I want to make sure if this is for my client. So if you're doing this for other barbershops as a marketing agency, you click this is my client account. Or if you're doing this for yourself, click this is my own account. Once you do this, go here and switch to your sub account, okay? You will switch to your sub account, which I have right here. And from there, you simply go into the creation process of your AI SMS chatbot. So you go here to your AI agents, and you want to go to conversation AI. And this is where you create your bot. So click create bot. And as you can see now, you have guided form setup, which is perfect for basic lead capturing and appointment booking, which doesn't require complex logic or conditions. So this is usually the best one, right, for barbers. So we create new bot. And then here, as you can see, it's going to be appointment booking. So we hit continue, because again, for barbershops, it's more so for appointment booking. And we enter the brand name. So the brand name is going to be Excel Barbershop. Company website, we can go here and find one company website for one barbershop. So barbershop Los Angeles, let's say. And let's say this is your barbershop. So we copy this particular website. Obviously, you're going to copy your own, barbershop. You have company email, which again is going to be excelbarbershop@gmail.com. You have company address, which you can add right here. Whatever the address is, Excel Barbershop 2. The phone number, make sure to add that in here. So this is just a brand voice, so I'll just add a random number right here. But you make sure you add the correct number, okay? So it should be like that. Then we have, okay, I guess I can't really add the phone number, which is good. You can, okay, so you can actually do it without, and then you can go here and add whatever tone of voice you want. Usually empathetic or friendly would work best. And then you can also go to additional information about your target audience. So let's say you're only working with, 20 to 30-year-olds, and then customer pain points, brand promise, brand values, you can adjust these right here. The more information you add, the better will be. You can add here also the type of business, which is really important. So for you, it's going to be barbershop. And then you hit save. And then here, as you can see, this is your brand voice setup. We go to bot settings, and this is going to be the bot name. So let's say Jack. We can make this as a primary bot. And we can adjust the preferred channels here. I will also show you how you can add this on your website. So for example, a preferred channel, I always like to put all of them because I never know if I'm going to use WhatsApp, Instagram, or Facebook. I will also show you how you can reply to your inquiries. So as you can see, wait time before responding 2 seconds. Okay. We have bot initial message. Hey there. What type of haircut or what type of service are you interested in? Because it could be like a beard trimming, it can be, haircut, whatever. So this could be like just like an initial message to get the engagement going. We hit next. Here you can adjust, your bot goals. So as you can see, you have details to collect from the contact. Usually it's going to be either name or phone or both, or name, phone, and email, whatever you want. Usually a name and let's say email is a good one, or a phone for the notifications. Custom questions, you can add them right here. You know what your custom questions are. Again, it can be like, for example, what's your name? When do you want to book? Stuff like that. As you can see right here, it's already added, and you can delete this because we don't want that. We only want name and phone for this one. And then you can also skip if already filled. So bot will skip the question or objective if already filled. That's what I like to do. You can also adjust the appointment details to be in your calendar. So if we want to set up a calendar in Go High Level, and this is what's so cool about Go High Level, you can pretty much set up everything inside Go High Level. You can, respond to your messages, and you can also adjust your calendars. And, whenever a calendar is booked, the Go High Level will actually disable the bookings for you. So as you can see, if we go to calendar here, what we can do is we can click on calendars, click on calendar settings, and we can create a calendar here. So we can create new calendar, and that calendar can be for service booking because this is a barbershop. You can enter your service name, and you can select your staff member right here. Keep in mind, to add your staff member, click on My Staff, and here you will be able to add your staff member. Let's say your staff member is named Jake. You can add him right here. For example, for us, it's Tin. And then we add the service name. For example, is going to be just your business name. So XL Barbershop. Okay. And that's going to be it. Then service duration, usually it's around 45 minutes. I'm not sure for your barbershop what's the service duration usually, but then you can hit confirm. And by the way, you can add calendars for multiple different options. Like maybe it's just a beard trim. Maybe it's just a, maybe it's just like a haircut. And then you can add a staff member that is doing that job. For example, if Tin here is doing, XL Barbershop and then beard trim, then it's going to be beard trim. If it's beard trim plus haircut, it's going to be that, right? So again, it really depends what you want to do. So once you set this up, you can hit confirm and you will have a calendar right here. You can also go to your connections and you can add a calendar configuration. For example, you can add, the calendar to be synchronized with your Google calendar. So you can also do that. But as you can see, once you have the calendars, you simply go back here, and this is where you're going to see your booked appointments, okay? Now let's go back to our chatbot. We select the calendar. I will select this one right now because I haven't actually created a barbershop calendar. And then here, I can also select the trigger workflows after appointment booking. I will show you also this as well. So after someone books an appointment, they actually need to get notifications to their mobile phone for the barbershop appointment, because as you know, most people forget if they don't have notifications, which if you want to set this up, you go to automation and you want to go here and build using AI. So after someone booked a call, send them 3 different SMS messages before the appointment, okay? And then hit this, and this will create an automation for you that you can adjust right here. And by the way, in order for this to work, you will need to go to settings, and you will need to purchase a phone number within your country. So just purchase any phone number within your country, and that will work. It's around $1, so it's nothing really big. And once this is done right here, and once you purchase the phone number, you can go here and you can select this particular workflow. So for example, we will call this workflow, as you can see, it's done. We'll call this workflow barbershop notifications. And then we can go here, click on this, and just click on calendar and select our calendar. So in this case, it's going to be MedSpa calendar. In your case, it's going to be your barbershop calendar. Hit save. And then as you can see, wait until 24 hours before appointment. And then as you can see, here is the first message that you can adjust. Again, if you have phone number connected, it will work. You just need to publish it and hit save. Then you just go back here and then select that particular, for example, barbershop workflow. We don't have it because we haven't saved it, but you can click here and select that. Now, once this is done, once you select this, I will exit out of this because I want to show you something. You can allow bot to cancel the appointment because, again, this will reduce friction for you. You can also allow bot to reschedule the appointment, which is really good. And then you can receive email notification if the bot doesn't know the answer. And you can send this to your users or whoever is, in charge of, managing your messages usually. which is all users right here or specific users. Once you hit save, as you can see, the bot is successfully created. And what I usually do is I say bot replies automatically based on trained data and hit save and close. From here, we have a Jack, which is our bot. And now we can add it to our website. How can we add it to our website? We simply go to our sites and we go to chat widget, hit new. And this is where we add our all-in-one chat, or you can even add live chat right here. And if you click live chat, this is how it's going to look like on your website. You can adjust the style to your website right here. And you can also go and adjust the additional options right here. You can adjust those: live chat business hours, live chat close, live chat assigned right here, title and intro, as you can see, and then messaging, acknowledgement. You can adjust those right here, and language. And make sure when you're doing this, if you cannot see get code, you go to your style or go to your actually additional options and add your company website here. After you add your company website, you can get the code and you can copy this code. Again, the developer can copy this code in your website. If you don't know how to do it, you can just copy it. And then if you go back here, make sure that under your AI agents, under conversation AI, that under your agent list, this is your primary bot, because this is what is going to be your primary bot on your website. So that's essentially how you can make an AI SMS chatbot for barbers. If you want to test this yourself, you have a 30-day free trial link down below for Go High Level. And if you have any comments, comment below, and we'll see you in the next video.